You have learned the first 9 vowel sounds of the IPA. Now let's do a quick revision to help you remember all of these sounds. This sound is pronounced E, as in keep. This sound is pronounced it, as in fit. This sound is pronounced as in good. This sound is pronounced oo, as in who. This sound is pronounced as in set. This sound is pronounced as in carrot. This sound is pronounced as in bird. This sound is pronounced or as in law. And this sound is pronounced o as in go. Now I will say each sound and I want you to point to which sound you hear. Number 1, O. Number 2, Number 3, oo. Number 4, or. Number 5, e. Number 6, e. Number 7, u. Number 8, it. Number 9, Congratulations! Now you know the first 9 vowel sounds of the IPA, which will help to improve your pronunciation. If you're ready to learn the next vowel sounds, I will see you in the next video.